testing out the mini logo trucks. Go just put these babies on. Let's go ahead and test them out. After about 2 weeks of skating them, a little bit of, not too much street. I've been hurt, so just been taking it easy at the park. But honestly, after riding indies for almost like 6 years straight, these trucks really do stand up to you know, what I need them for, which is grinding, turning, shock impact. Pretty much does it all. I had a good time skating them. We're going to continue to skate them. Just want to say thank you to Skate Warehouse and Militant, Mini Logo, Bones Wheels. All the people at Skate One, appreciate it. Thanks for letting me try these trucks out, and go get yourself a pair as soon as they come out. Should be soon, coming in different colors, so look for them at your shop or at skatewarehouse.com, and I'll see you guys soon. Militant for life. Go skate. Peace.